This is my 1949 Studebaker 2R5 half-ton pickup truck that me and my sister are in the process of trying to restore. We just wanted to take and do a quick video of removing this insulation, sound barrier, heat shield from inside the cab of the pickup. This one is pretty much intact, and what we've noticed that it's pretty much secured to the firewall through these large screws, with these large washers. You can see this one here, and then as we move closer to the passenger door, you can see we've already taken a couple off right there. We have another screw down here that needs to be coming out, and several more. But what we also noticed is these vent doors from the outside air are also connected as part of this process. When we started removing these screws, these vent doors started coming loose, and so we'll be able to take those out and refinish them, get them so that they're working properly. That's true for this side, and then as we move over, you can see that we've already removed some of the screws and washers over here, and then on the far side over here is the other air vent door that we need to remove. This is the insulation slash heat shield slash soundproofing that we just removed from my 1949 Studebaker 2R5 half-ton pickup truck. I just wanted to show you what it looked like out here on the ground. You can see again that we had the screws with large washers that secured this to the firewall of the cab. But most importantly, what I also wanted to show you is these vent doors for outside air that are also part of the system. This is the driver's side here, and then over here is the passenger side. These are also were mounted through this insulation, but if you just take and lay this over, you can see now once they're disconnected, these vent doors will come out of the insulation, and it will allow you to take and renovate, restore those. So both sides are the same way, and the nice thing about this is if your screen was messed up, this is going to give you an opportunity to replace your screen. So I thought I'd just share that with you. Hopefully it helps you out. Thank you much. Bye.